No! Yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're here finally doing the review on the HJM Toury bike. They didn't just send us one, they sent us two. We're gonna be riding these things out throughout town, and I'm gonna show y'all just how much a cheat code electric bicycles really are. Which, thank you to HJM for sending us this, and there's a link in the description if you want to use their code. You can get a big discount on the bikes, and there's the link down there. This cup holder right here, that doesn't come with it, we just got that from Walmart. But everything else comes with the bike, as you see here. We have a battery right here, there's a USB dock on it right there. It's an electric bike, so yes, you can just charge your phone with the battery. There's a USB back here that you can tie to. Shimano gear set. Literally everything on these things is pretty sick. We've done a lot on these things. First off, let me show you some videos of that.
All right, y'all have fun.
Hey, have a good one. Stay safe. Well, welcome to bicycling with Po Boys. Tanner's bike just got the okay clear by the police officer, and so did these. He said he's seen us riding these things around. We got Joey and Tanner. We're gonna be having some fun with these HJM bicycles that they just sent us. But meanwhile, let's get to riding these things. And we gotta put fuel in Tanner's bike. Let's go, the rig. And there's only one thing you could do after an occurrence like this. That man Tanner filling up a bicycle, bro. Hey, it's doing pretty freaking awesome. This thing's always been old trusty. Of course it's getting 93. You're right. These things are also doing pretty sick. Back to tech to McDonald's.
Yeah. Did you see them pointing and laughing in that car?
McDonald's, how can I help?
Hey, can I get a nugget?
Anything else for you?
Nugget.
You want the meal or just the nugget?
Just a nugget. How's it going? Drink it a little bit before you put it in the cup holder so it don't spill on the bike. You can spill it on yours if you want.
I want because it rattles with the motor, so I want to see it just shake everything.
It makes it flat too, so beware of that.
Oh, sweet tea isn't carbonated.
Ah.
I planned for this.
Oh no, I didn't. All right, that should be that and that. Thank you. Watch this right here. Look at how tall this is and what I just rode up. This is insane. This little bike right here is going ham. So the fastest we've got these up to is 30 on a big downhill. It normally cruise at like 18 to 20. We do wheelies in nature, baby. Like, look at this. Would you just look at it? I've driven here on my dirt bike before. Real OGs would see me on my dirt bike when I probably weighed 70 pounds more when I've ridden through this section right here. But now, this is a nice little walking trail that I get to wheelie now. We're good. I ran out of brake.
Go down? I don't know about that one. Like a bar.
That is a serious incline. A serious staircase. Are you gooched? Easy. Dude, I just got the worst fear for this man's life sometimes. Yeah, Po. That electric bike makes that hill not that bad, dude. There is a cop right there. Maybe he just thinks I'm a tourist taking pictures. Oh God, he's going, Poe's going down. Oh look, he's steadily doing the wheelie. All right, let's go. Don't mess up. Yeah, dude, that is so badass. And then also gets hit by the bus. I was about to say. Dude, Poe is so with the shits on a bicycle. He's way over there. He's been doing wheelies down the sidewalk. Told you. Let's go. Oh my goodness. Look at that was actually scary.
just some cool little trails. It's not like our own little Isle of Man TT. How's it going? She has such a look of shock on her face.
Oh, she was pissed at me.
Oh, really? Let's go to the off-road section. I want to get some GoPro of that. This thing does not care. I don't know if you know how mountain bikes work, but that's not normal. If you can see the elevation change, this is a good 20, 30 feet, and I rode right up it. I'm turning right around. Thornbush, oh boy, thorns. Dude, this is so fun being able to just hit trails like this. This little suspension does some really good work. You'd actually be surprised. These 4-inch tires really grip everything. They don't slip at all. And by the way, these trails in Ruston, mountain bike trails they got are really nice. Back to the on-road. I'm gonna go down the on-road section to show you what these things can do on a little road, going downhill. And whenever you're done, pedal like nothing. Oh, I got a thorn in me, look at that. Pull that out. Look at how many deer.
Oh, there are a lot of deer. There are a lot of deer, bro. Oh no. Welcome to Po Boys. Oh yeah. Welcome to Po Boys!
Grandma.
So overall, the HJM bike, I will say, after putting 350 miles on each bike, not just one alone, but on 2 bikes, 350 miles, that is 700 miles total on 2 bikes that they sent us. I believe we've had our funds worth out of the bikes. Hopefully that proved that these things are worth it. Remember to use the description down below. Go get you an e-bike. These things are freaking sweet. Literally a legal loophole that you can just ride on the sidewalk, road, anywhere. Freaking sick. Go get you one. Ooh, up.
Now you just go either way.
Sick.
Yeah.
Now we're riding switch. What the heck? Dude, I'm riding a 1-wheel backwards. The first time I've ever ridden a 1-wheel. All right, context. Me and Caleb are out here riding the electric bicycles, and we meet Carson, and he's riding a 1-wheel, and I asked to ride it because I've never ridden one of these things before. So now I'm currently riding it backwards to check campus. It's so interesting. Little bicycles going ham. We're 1-wheeling on campus, Caleb. Let's go.
Hey, you feel every single bit of that 1-wheel.
Yes, bro. It's so weird. Oh my gosh. I'm off-roading the thing. Oh my gosh. Dude, that is so sick. Just don't fall. No! No! Go follow Tanner. Let's go. What's good, brother? Just met my boy Peasy right here. What's good? Let's go.
It works.